Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Friday, 29th August 2025, Nifty index opened on a flattish note, but bears took charge from the very beginning and tracked the index below 24,500. The session remained volatile due to the monthly expiry with swings on both the sides, but largely tilted in favor of the bears. Selling pressure from the higher levels persisted and it closed with losses of around 200 points. It formed a bearish candle on the daily frame and has been making lower highs from the last 4 trading sessions. India VIX was slightly up at 12.18 level, while Nifty put-call ratio increased to 0.86. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,000 to 25,000, while immediate range is in between 24,300 to 24,700. Moving on to the second segment, in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 3,592 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 6,346 crores. FII's index long-short ratio decreased to 8.2%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest till Nifty holds below 24,650, weakness could extend towards 24,350 and then 24,200, while hurdles are placed at 24,850 zones. Till the time Bank Nifty holds below 54,250, weakness could be seen towards 53,500, while on the upside, hurdle can be seen at 54,500. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Uno Minda, Nykaa, Titan, Polycab, Maruti, Cummins and Hero MotoCorp, while some weakness could be seen in Angel One, Inox Wind, Shriram Finance, PDL, Syngene and REC. Wish you a super day and a lovely weekend ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid alerts.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.